Hello, boys and girls. This is our math lesson for today. We're starting a new chapter. We finished measurement. We measured how tall things were, how long. We talked about how much things weigh. This chapter is all about graphing. Now, we've made some graphs before in our classroom where we laid things out on the floor. And we're going to make a graph today. But graphs really help us when we have a problem or a question that we want answered. So I brought home my jar of warm fuzzies. And the problem I'm having is I'm wondering, because my jar's getting a little low on warm fuzzies, I want to go to the store and buy more, but I'm wondering what color I should buy more of. Because I can see there's lots of colors in my jar. I see pink, I see yellow, I see green, but I'm not sure which color I should buy more of. So I thought, well, I'm going to have to count them or sort them somehow. And I thought maybe we could use a graph today to help solve our problem. So I dumped out all my warm fuzzies and I looked to see what colors there were because I thought we want to sort them today by colors and then make a graph to help. So I'm going to notice the different colors. I see blue. I noticed there were yellow warm fuzzies, so I made a sign that says yellow. I saw there were purple, orange. Let's see. Oh, I see some green. And I also saw some pink. So I sorted. I laid my cards down, and then I thought, well, maybe we could sort all the warm fuzzies by the color that they are. And when we're done, we'll see if we can look at our graph and see what kind of information it shows us. So let's start with the blue. I'm just going to line up my blue right here. Okay, then the next color is yellow. So I'm going to line up all my yellow fuzzies and we'll see how many we have. Okay, next, help me read it. Purple. All right, we'll line up our purple fuzzies. They're so cute. The next starts with the orange. We'll line up our orange fuzzies in a row. Next, Green spells green. We'll line our green up. Oh, I forgot this little orange fuzzy. Last color, let's say each sound. Pink. Let's line up our pink. Now, remember my question was, how many of each color do I have? That's going to help me know how many more warm fuzzies I need to buy. So we have all this information. This is our data. Well, next we have to decide and count to show the numbers. So let's look at the blue line. Looks like 3 blues. So I'll make a number 3 for blues. Let's count the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll put a 9 at the bottom for yellows. Purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of you might have been able to see 5 without even counting. You could subbatize it. Orange. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. One more. 7 orange. Take a look at the green. I can tell right away, just 4. I subbatized it. Let's look at pink. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now we have gotten some information and our numbers show our data. Which color does it look like I have the most of, kindergartners? Kiss your brain if you saw that we have the most yellow. So I have quite a bit of yellow. Which color in our graph do I have the least amount of, the smallest? Yep, my eye went right away to blue. So it looks like my biggest number is 9. I have plenty of yellow warm fuzzies, but I'm going to need to buy some blue. Is there any other color that you think we should buy more of? Well, I see green doesn't have as many either. It's got one more than the blue. So when I go to the store, I think it would be a good idea. This graph helped me solve the problem. I should buy some blue warm fuzzies and maybe some green because I don't have very many of those two colors. When I'm done making a graph, I like to give my graph a title. So because we were sorting out the warm fuzzies, I made the title of our graph, Warm Fuzzy Graph. So let's put that at the top. Boys and girls, this graph today helped me solve my problem. What colors do I need to buy at the store for more warm fuzzies? I saw that blue and green didn't have as many, so when I go to the store, I can remember this graph. I could even take a picture of it with my camera. This week, you're going to be learning about graphs. Today, you're going to do a page in your math book that helps you sort things and graph them by color. Have fun graphing to help solve your problems, boys and girls. Bye-bye.